Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to multiply by e to the power of 2s on numerator and denominator. So this one will distribute for number 1 and e to the power of negative 2s. So e to the power of 2s multiplied by this one. So you got about e to the power of 0 because 2s minus 2s you got number 0. E to the power of number 0 we have number 1. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of 2s plus 1. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have 2e to the power of 2s ds. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change for u. E to the power of 2s ds we change for this one. So the integration of this one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now let's go to the second one. We need to multiply by e to the power of 2s on numerator and denominator. So this one we have e to the power of 2s minus number 1. Now this is similar the technique in here, but we just change the sign, that is about negative. So I will copy this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.